Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. For those of you that find it difficult to make payments to supplier or make payments for your goods on 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how we make payment for this particular person right here on 1688. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp, on my YouTube channel right here, and asked me to make payment for their order on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to access from my WhatsApp right here. Now go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and proceed to my cart right here. So I have already added all the products to cart on my 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up the cart, next thing I need to do is to select the product one after the other. You can see the product right here, and this one, and the third one right here. So I'm going to select this. I will scroll down and select this, and I'm going to select this. So making it about 3 different stores. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to check out. So next thing I need to do is to scroll down right here, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, and then go ahead and click on here to choose both means of payment. And I'm making payment with my Alipay. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout and payment. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and enter my payment password. Now payment done, successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot proof of payment right here. I'm going to go ahead and screenshot proof of payment. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on here to close this pump up. Lastly, by the time I refresh my cart right here, you see that the product is no longer here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to my profile. And by the time I refresh my profile, the product I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. We have it right here. The first link, second, and the third one, which is the phone case right here. Lastly, I'm going to exit from here now and open up my WhatsApp and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on 1688. I'm going to click on my gallery right here, open up my gallery and select proof of payment, payment made. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a supplier on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.